Asmat Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today, Panguni Rohini, Asmat Acharyan, Srimad Paravakotte Andavan, Periyandavan, Sri Gopala Desika Mahadeshikan, Trinakshatram. He was Acharya unparalleled. His Taniyan is Srivasa Ranga Parakala Munitrayapta Lakshmatma Rakshana Yatitva Yugagamantam Acharya Bhakti Pariputam Anargashilam Gopala Desika Munim Gurum Ashrayamaha. The crude translation would be, we seek refuge at the lotus sacred Trivadi, the feet of our revered Acharyan Sri Gopala Desika Mahadeshikan, who received the Pancha Samskaram, Samashrayanam, Parasamarpanam from the great Acharyan Sri Srinivasa Mahadesikan, Srimad Poundariga Paramandavan, and he received Turi Ashramam from Sri Srinivasa Mahadesikan, Srimad Vennatangare Andavan. And the wealth of Ubaya Vedantam, the Grantha Chatushtya Kalakshepam, he underwent from Srimad Abhinava Ranganatha Brahmatantra Swatantra Parakala Yatindra Mahadeshikan. He was resplendent with illustrious Sadacharam and was shining with his limitless Acharya Bhakti. That's the meaning, and not a single letter in this meaning was an exaggeration. Swami was Acharya unparalleled, peerless. In fact, the Srimad Arigeshingar 45th Patam, in his Purvashramam, he had written about Srimad Paravakotte Andavan's Gunanubhavam. And Adiyan had bumped into a translation of that wonderful Gunanubhavam of Srimad Aishingars by none other than our Sri Sadagopan Mama of US. Sri Swami Desikan in Upakara Sangraham, the last Pasuram, he says, Azhiyada Arulazhi Peruman Seyyum Antamila Udaviyellam Alapparare. The Perarulalan, the Parama Upakaram which he does, who can measure? It's immeasurable. In that, the third line goes, Pazhiyada Nalvinayil Padindar Thalil. Pazhiyada Nalvinayil Pazhiyada Nalvinayil Padindar, or Pazhiyada Nalvazhiyil Padindar. The title chosen by Srimad Aishingar for his Vyakyanam was Pazhiyada Nalvazhiyil Padindar, one who has performed the blemishless and auspicious Upayam of Sharanagati as a sacred Acharyan. So, we have committed powerful papams that cannot be removed by any number of prayashchitam at all. By doing any expiatory rites, we cannot get rid of the papam that we have committed. Emperuman is always thinking about the appropriate time to save us, uplift us, by preventing us commit such crimes, papams, heinous papams, unforgivable papams. When some of the good deeds, when without our knowledge, if we perform minutest good deed, He immediately comes forth to protect us, taking that as an excuse to save us. The Papatmas, us, me, Adiyan. At that time, he does not come to us directly. He sends the Sadacharya. He enables us, he facilitates us to fall at the feet of Sadacharya. And then slowly take us to ascend the steps of Paramapadam with the Vailakshanya Kataksham of Sadacharya. And this Upakara Sangraham Pasuram, last Pasuram of Swami Desikan, needs to be reflected by all of us, all our Astikas. Many Acharya Paramparaya of Bhagavat Ramanuja Sampradayam strive intensely for the upliftment, for the Ujjivanam, for saving the Sishya Paramparai. Srimad Poundrivaram, Srimad Andavan Ashramam is one such illustrious Acharya Paramparai. Srimad Aishingar writes, many great Acharyas have adorned the Peetam of this ashramam. The doyen of scholars, Sri Anbil V. Gopalachar Swami, performed Kalakshepam with Ashrama Sthala Stapakar, founder, Srinivasa Mahadesikan, Poundrivaram Andavan, so called. He was and conducted annual Vidvat Sabha, Sri Bhashya Sadas for many years. Now, Srimad Paravakotte Chinna Andavan Swami is adorning the Acharya Peetam and blessing the Sishyas of this ashramam. Srimad Paravakotte Andavan, Sri Gopala Desika Mahadesikan, had chosen this difficult sannyasa ashramam and had distinguished himself in a manner celebrated by Mahans. First of all, to begin with, the pursuit of sannyasrama's dharmam itself is not an easy task. The burden of administration, the vast Aishwaryam, land, temple, property make it even more difficult. So, it is the most compassionate Paravakotte Andavan Swami. And Srimad Aishingar writes, we have had his sambandham from our Purvashramam days. And Swami was fully versed in Shastras, Shastrajñar. He was always soft-spoken. Sweetly he used to welcome the Sishyas. Mridubhashi. He was extremely exemplary, supreme in Anushtanams and Acharams. Sadachara Parar. He was the house of many Atma Gunams. And it was Adiyan, Madhavakandan Adiyan saying that Swami even accepted this lowliest person and performed Bharanyasam for Adiyan. Itself was a testimony of his compassion, Vatsalyam, towards lowly selves like Adiyan. One needs significant funds for the observance of Swadharmams. Paravakotte Andavan, Sri Gopala Desika Mahadesikan never used to travel outside. Even if he were to travel, it was always on foot. And Paravakotte Andavan, he was striving to advance the ancient goals of our Sat Sampradaya. He released a lot of ashramam publications, many Sampradaya Granthams, Srimad Ragasyatraya Saram, Childray Ragasyams, the Stotra Granthams, and in a grand manner, with care, with precision, with deliberation. Paraspara Hitaishinam Parisareshu Mam Vardhaya, Vedanta Desika says, just as Swami Desikan prayed to the Lord to keep him close to those who wish him well. Swami says, Aishingar says, we had the good fortune of frequent interactions with Srimad Paravakotte Andavan. Sri Paravakotte Chinna Andavan now continues with the performance of blemishless Kainkaryam for our Sampradayam. It is our prayer that Srimad Pragatam Andavan, with many healthy years to perform these Kainkaryams to continue and grow our ancient Sampradayam. In fact, Swami Desikan has pointed out that it is impossible to pay back in any manner whatsoever to the Acharya. ஏற்றி மனத்து எழில் ஞான விளக்கை இருளனைத்தும் மாற்றினவர்க்கு ஒரு கைமாறு மாயனும் காணகில்லான். போற்றி உகப்பதும் புந்தியில் கொள்வதும் பொங்கு புகழ் சாற்றி வளர்ப்பதும் சற்றல்லவோ முன்னம் பெற்றதற்கே. Swami Desikan states authoritatively, even Perumal cannot find a proper way to pay back, to return the gratitude for the Acharya who lit the Jnana Deepam in our minds and chased away the darkness of Ajnanam from us. So, Perumal cannot pay back for what the Acharya has done to us. So that's the magnitude of what the Acharya does. To demonstrate this principle of the most exalted status of Acharya, Perumal himself took the role of a disciple at Tirukkurungudi as Vaishnava Nambi and learnt Ragasyartham from Acharya Ramanuja. So, Swami Desikan has stated appropriately in Nyasa Tilakam, Gurubhyastad Gurubhyascha Namovagam Adhimahe Vrinimahe Tatratradyo Dampati Jagatampati. We salute our Acharya many times for instructing us the true meanings of Shastrams, for nourishing us with the true Jnanam. Afterwards we pay our pranamams, Dandavat pranamams to their Acharyas and the Acharya Parampara, ending with the Divya Dampati. We salute the Divya Dampatis as our Pratama Acharyas and as our means and fruits for our Sharanagati. In fact, Swami mentions in Nyasa Vimsati, he enlists the reasons for worshipping one's Acharya as Sharanyan himself, as Perumal himself. Swami says, Acharyadika devatam samadikam anyamna manyamage. We would not consider anyone equal to Acharya, any god equal to Acharya. Because the Lord destroys the ajnanam of jivatmas. Acharya, through appropriate instructions, upadesams, removes the darkness of ignorance residing in our minds. Just as the Lord removed the papam of Chetanas, Acharyan also removed the papam of Mahapapis through upadesams. The Lord, through the upayam of Sharanagati, leads the Chetanas to Sri Vaikuntham, gives them the opportunity to enjoy Sri Vaikuntham and make them equal to himself. Acharya similarly makes his disciples equal to him through initiation, upadesam into Anushthanam, instructions on Jnanam and Gunam, and places their soul at the feet of Sharanyan Ranganathan. So, there are very many ways Swami Desikan gives reasons for us to worship our Acharya as the Lord himself. Swami is known for compiling the logical statement because he is Tarkika Simmam. So, Adiyan just wanted to pay a little iota, a fraction of obeisance, to pay Adiyan's gratitude for what Acharya had blessed Adiyangal with. So, Sri Gopala Desika Mahadeshikaya Namaha, Srivasaranga Parakala Munitrayapta Lakshmatma Rakshana Itityugagamanta, Acharya Bhakti Pariputa Manarkashilam Gopala Desika Manam Gurumasayamaha. Adiyan, Dhanyosmi.